Alright, here we go with the build of the Millennium Falcon.
Did she take me out where the bonfire burns? And did she lead me inside to where the records turn? Did she say she could see through my party hat? Well, I doubt that. Favorite song is playing and I'll sing it to you, and it goes like this. Riding daisies into sun. If I want you, I want you to get gone. I asked for night.
Alright, well, put together the Millennium Falcon. Again, this is the third part of a three-part series. I've put together the Imperial Shuttle, Vader's TIE Fighter, and the Millennium Falcon. This time I did the Millennium Falcon. Again, this is a Revell kit. Once again, it's no mention of scale that I can find in the instructions or on the box. It is a snap tight kit, so it's fully painted, and you just throw it together. So I think it's a good kit for somebody who wants to buy something and put it together and display it for fun. I think it serves its purpose. It was a little bit more complicated than the others to put together. I had more parts and stuff. For the most part, didn't take very long. I like how it looks. Looks like the Millennium Falcon. Has the opposable dish, the cockpit, guns up on top here. What I don't really care for is the like sky blue engine. As far as I know, the engine, that part of it is a different color. That is kind of it stands out. It looks okay. I know less about Star Wars than I do about other kits and things like that, so I won't go into the how accurate and all that it is, because I just don't know. I haven't seen any other real accurate kits to compare. But I do like it. I like it a lot. It completes my series. It's my little Star Wars series I did. I did the Millennium Falcon, which we have here, and I also did the Imperial Shuttle. And these two are actually more in scale with each other than anything. And I can tell that by the people that are in the cockpits, the figures that come with it. These two are probably more in scale with each other than the TIE Fighter is not in scale, which I talked about in the last video. But these are the 3 model kits I did, and for relatively inexpensive and cheap money, I can't remember the exact price of the kits they were, but these two were on sale when I bought them. I think they were $12, and this one I think I got in somewhere in the range of $30, and I've seen it as high as $50. So, and I think $50 for that is outrageous. It's nice, but if you're gonna pay $50, I'd rather have an actual kit. But I don't know. I got it for like I said, I think around $30, and these were both like $12, so relatively inexpensive. Even $30 may be a little high, but that was about all I was willing to go with that on that one. So these are the kits I did. If you remember a while back, I also did a different snap tight. I did the X-Wing. I did this model kit, and now I have a little bit of a series. If you can see, I set this one up on to, which I guess this one would really be in scale with these as well. Pretty close, I guess. Or maybe not. Maybe this one to that one. I don't know. Like I said, they don't offer the scale or anything. But I did this one. I weathered up. I put on a little bit of a scene here. I got R2 over here, and what I wanted to depict was when they took the X-Wing out of the swamp and put it on the swamp floor. I mean, that's kind of what you got going on there. And that one I did quite some time ago. So I'm going to do the same to these. I'm going to weather them, and I'm going to be hanging them on the ceiling above me. So I'll be showing a little bit of that. I probably won't do the series of, the weathering on video. I'll probably just do it, and then I'll show my results after. Or, if I get inclined to show a technique or, something that I'm doing that, might be helpful, that I'm doing, I might show that as well. So this wraps it up for this. Next I'll be opening up and checking out some other models. I'll be getting back to older projects I got going on, and check back, and we'll be doing more of that. Oh yeah, and one final note. May the Force be with you, always.